To start, simply slide one end of the cover into the cutout on the side panel closest to the rear seats. Next, slide the other end of the cover into the cutout on the opposite side panel. To lock the cover into place, press down on both sides until you hear a click. A red mark will appear under the button. Give a tug to ensure both ends are locked. Now, pull the cover out over the cargo and hook it onto the catches on the side panels closest to the rear of the car. To remove the cover, unhook it from the catches and allow it to smoothly roll up. Locate the button on each end of the cover and press it forward to detach. Pull and angle up one end of the cover, then repeat on the other side.